What's up, fragrance lovers? Today we have a little bit of an unboxing, first impression video for you here. And now that I'm seeing the fragrances right in front of me, over there, oh, they look so good, or the packages of them. These are actually all dupes or clones of higher priced niche fragrances. And I also do want to mention that, yeah, poor me with two of these fragrances. I was just too excited and I actually opened the package yesterday, so that it's not my first impression, but rather my second impression with two of these fragrances. I don't want to lie to you and say that I have never smelled them before. And without further ado, let's get right into it right now. These are, oh my god, these are so amazing. Hopefully. Let's check them out. So starting off with the first fragrance. This is a fragrance I smelled yesterday. Club de Nuit Silage. And let's, first of all, the package. You have to be a fan of it, but I actually kind of dig it. The atomizer, pretty nice. I think I missed. It's a pretty citric opening with ginger in it. A tiny bit of aquaticness, but right now the main players are definitely like lemony notes, citrusy notes and ginger. Nothing too special right now. But let's check out the next fragrance and come back to it a little bit later on. The next fragrance is, I actually bought it today and just a couple of minutes ago. Here's my coupon from Zara. Maybe you can see it. Date is written down 22nd of May at 10:36. And today we have, or right now we have, where is it showing up? 12 o'clock, the date here. So this is as good as a first impression can get. Scissor to open it. Oh, have I? It felt a little bit like I cut into the fragrance. Maybe I have to be a little bit more gentle with it. By the way, pretty plain. 16 bucks, like I said. By the way, I just forgot to tell you, this is a clone of Creed Silver Mountain Water. And I have never smelled Creed Silver Mountain Water before, but everybody on the web says that it's pretty damn close to it. So yeah, there you go. Meanwhile, I was able to open this package. So let's open that stuff up. Pretty damn simple, just like the package. This, by the way, also is a rose fragrance and it should smell like MONT Intense Cafe. Also haven't smelled that before, but we also want to see if that's just a good fragrance. If it's yeah, it's nice if it smells like a more expensive fragrance, but the fragrance itself should smell good. And this is what we're checking out right here. And I also give you my opinion if a man can wear this fragrance, because I want to wear it. If that smells like, I heard that this smells like coffee. I'm down for coffee, I love it. Especially in espresso, oh my god. This doesn't smell like coffee. Not at all. But it's the opening though. Right off the bat, a little bit alcoholic, but I just sprayed it on, so it probably goes away. Like I said, 16 bucks. Rose. A lot of rose in the opening. It's nearly everything I get. And damn, this fragrance, it's sweet. Pretty nice sweet rose in the opening. I quite like it. But I really do hope that when we go back to it in the dry down, that it smells like coffee, because that was the reason why I'm actually buying this in the first place. But so far, actually pretty pleasant. Not bad. And it smells like it could be pretty damn strong on the skin, and also when you wear it during the day, projection and stuff like that. Nice. All right. Now we're going to a fragrance which I actually smelled yesterday for the first time. Whew, damn, this fragrance hits different, very different. It's wow. ARMAF Club de Nuit Milestone. Fucking hell. wow, it should smell like Creed Millésime Imperial. And I have never smelled Creed Millésime Imperial. This smells amazing. Like, wow, this smells so good. The atomizer, very bad. You would think that this atomizer and this one is the same, but it's not. The distribution is quite nice, but on this atomizer you have actually some control of how far you want to push the atomizer down. And with this one, it's just like, if you press it, it goes all the way down, right off the bat, no control in it. And it smells like a fruity accord in the foreground, like, yeah, quite a, kind of the main player. Pretty fresh, a little bit of sweetness with the fruity accord, and now also a little bit more of a salty touch comes in. Very nice, very nice. I'm looking forward to smelling the dry aroma of it. And now, oh my god, wow. And now we're talking about a fragrance, so the next one. This was more than hard to find. Holy fucking shit. I waited so long to buy this fragrance. I actually bought it online, but then my order got cancelled because it wasn't available anymore. I actually bought it with this one, but yeah, I only just got this one and the other one didn't arrive then. And when I picked this one up, they actually had it in the store and I was just like, I have to buy it. I actually got 2 bottles because it was so hard to find. I had it on my wish list for like 2 months or 3 months. I never got a notification that it was available. I found it at the store and was just like, all right, next, you have to buy it right now. Better get 2 bottles than being sorry for not getting 2. So the fragrance we are talking about, freaking excited about it. Freaking excited. High hopes, like higher than myself. Zara Red Temptation. This one has a pretty hard time now living up to my hopes because I waited so long for it. Bottle, plain again. This time being a little bit more gentle to not damage the fragrance. That was simple. And this one should smell like a Bacchus 540. And I actually smelled Bacchus 540 beforehand. One of my friends wore it pretty often. Fucking hell, how are you able to afford a fragrance like that? But good for you. Yeah, she smelled very good with it. I was just like, I have to get my hands on Bacchus 540. But because I also spray a lot, I don't actually want to pay 220 bucks for it. So I got that one instead. By the way, distribution? Nice. Excitement kicks in. I'm not breathing in right now. Alcoholic. Alright, it's actually pretty alcoholic. Yeah, I mean, you can't get everything for 16 bucks, I guess. But if it's alcoholic for a minute, I don't give a fuck, people. I really don't give a fuck. If you wear it for the whole day, who cares about 1 minute? Alright, now we're getting to the actual fragrance, people. Sweet, little bit of the rubbery notes in it. We're getting, oh my god, like each time I smell it, it smells better because the alcoholicness or the alcoholic touch of this fragrance goes away. Very nice. Yeah, this is a nice fragrance. If you, no, I don't want to make any recommendations as so far. I want to smell the dry downs. All right, smell the dry downs. Starting off with the fragrance Club de Nuit Silage. Actually, a fragrance I was rather underwhelmed with. Let's check out the dry down. Yeah, much better than the opening. It's still citrusy, but the ginger pushed in the foreground like a lot. And it also has kind of an oceanic breathe to it. Just imagine it. You are on the open seas, you take a deep breath in, it kind of resembles that vibe. For me at least. But I also do want to mention with the dry down that here for some reason I can't smell it that much, but on my skin this fragrance is very inky, very inky. But here it's not that noticeable and also very fresh. And this isn't a fragrance which you usually smell on the streets. Do you have to say that? So you actually can stand out with it. I think you won't get that many compliments, but it's pretty damn appropriate for the office or general wear. Great for the summer. I'm not too impressed with it, but this is also kind of because I smell it just on the tissue. On my skin it reacts very well, and the inky vibe, wow, it's mysterious as fuck, and on my skin it's worth the money. And on my skin I actually like the fragrance a lot more. So going on with the next fragrance, the Rose Gourmand. So the main player still was like, it's hitting different and it's strong. This fragrance, holy shit, I'm getting a little bit dizzy because of all the fragrances in front of me. Rose, the main player, still, but a lot more vanilla in the background, some warminess. Warminess isn't the word. Only a slight coffee touch. So I probably make a review about this fragrance to actually test it out in further detail. But right now, just a slight coffee touch. But I like it. Like for 16 bucks, totally recommended. So going on to the next fragrance, Club de Nuit Milestone. I'm a little bit worried that the Rose Gourmand was just too strong and I can't smell this one. But we'll see about that. In the meantime, please subscribe to my channel and also ring this little bell. I got like 63 followers. It would really help me out a lot. And also, if you like this content, obviously give it a like. Alright, let's check out the dry down. Very excited. Yeah. Oh my god. Holy shit, it's so fucking good. Get this fragrance. Holy shit. What I also do want to mention with Milestone versus Silage, the Silage on the Silage is actually not that good. I get a better Silage, a better projection, and better longevity on the Milestone, which just cost me 28 bucks instead of the 50 I paid for Silage. But this fragrance, oh my god, it's so good. It smells like kind of synthetic, but not overly synthetic, just a little bit. Watermelon with some saltiness, sea saltiness, and this aquatic vibe. Wow. Wow. This is so good. Honestly. Damn, I'm getting emotional. This is so good. This is, oh my. This really is so good. It's hard to believe that you can get a fragrance which smells like that for under 30 bucks. Or that you can even get a fragrance which smells that good, no matter the money. So far, this one is the winner. But we still have a fragrance, the Red Temptation, which cost me a lot of trouble to get it. So, the dry down. Wow, okay. This shit is close to Baccarat Rouge 540. This shit is close. I honestly don't want to put a percentage to it or something like that, because I don't know how accurate actually a percentage is, but if I would smell that and Baccarat Rouge side by side, I could probably tell the difference. But this shit is freaking close to it. And even if you smell it in the air, there's probably not that much of a difference, which normal people can detect. Very nice fragrance. So, like, if you want to get a dupe of Baccarat Rouge 540, this one is probably a good one and an accurate one, especially in the air. Quite nice. I would say that the Rose Gourmand is a little bit stronger than the Red Temptation, but the red Temptation is definitely easier to be pulled off by a man. It's way more unisex. Oh, this side. Way more unisex than the Wasco MONT. So if I would rate them, milestone, holy shit, number 1, like for sure, people. Number 2, I'd say Red Temptation, especially considering the price tag. Number 3, the silage, on my skin at least. And number 4, Wasco MONT, just because so far, like, it's not a fragrance which could I see myself wearing, but it's still nice. Like all of these fragrances, pretty good shit. So that's basically the end of the video. Hopefully you liked it. If you do, then definitely give it a like. But mate, you would also help me out tremendously if you subscribe to the channel. I only have a couple of followers, which I do appreciate these followers, but if it would be nice to grow this channel a little bit more. Obviously, if you like the content, if you don't like it, then also don't subscribe to it. Other than that, I wish you a lovely day. I'm right now making myself a coffee, seeing if that gets a little bit closer to the coffee. And other than that, have a wonderful day, and I see you in the next one. Out.